Hello viewers, my name is Visible Money. I'm a networker and a prolific internet resource person. I am here to present a video guide on how to register into X3M Tron network project. It is a multi-level project. It is new and it is a global project. The reason why this project is peculiar is that it is built on smart contracts of Tron network. It guarantees continuity, and there is option for recycling. It pays automatically. No one can stop it. It is not a scam. It uses crypto called Tron. To get into the project, you only need to download Tron wallet from Android Play Store on Google, which is this. You install it properly and then you can now start. Why not let me walk you through the registration process to simplify the process for you. Thank you. This is my interface. I'm logging in. From my interface, at present, I have 432.859 TRS, and this balance is not sufficient to register a new enrollee. To register a new account, you must have minimum of 505 TRS. The actual registration fee is 500 TRS. The extra 5 is to take care of charges. Let us go into registration proper. Now to start, the first thing to do is to make sure you get your upline link to register. Then click on that browser link. Now we are here. You will supply my own link for registration as your upline. Supply to continue. Then we click to start the process. It's coming up. Now it has come to the next phase. Register or login. Now having reached this, the next thing to do is to click on login automatically and pay attention. Click on log me in automatically. If you see this message, you get it right. If you are on this page, once you see unfortunately this wallet is not an active member, it's showing that the new registration is not on the network yet and is correct. So what are the indicators? You must see your upline ID 3814. Once you see this, you are doing the right thing. Then the next thing for you to do is to click on this yellow box, which is the box for registration into X3M. As you can see, join X3M. Then it will take you to the next. Follow the pointer 1 to indicate if you would like to recycle your contract after the expiration of this contract. You see 30, 1 hour, you indicate applicable to you. Also, you can click confirm button if you are sure you want to pay 500 TRS. Let's proceed. Woo! Congratulations! Once you get to this page, the 500 TRS payment has been successful. Click OK and we proceed. Now that you have successfully paid, the next thing to do is to log into the dashboard and be able to see yourself on the network. Follow the pointer. Then click to access wallet. Once you click that cancel icon, it's going to take you to your wallet. Now that you are on your wallet dashboard, click on, just copy, click on this to copy your wallet ID. Then we proceed. Now we are going back to that browser. Follow the pointer, click on the browser icon to proceed to the browser, because we are going to log in again. At this junction, you have option. You can type in that URL that is my link that you use initially, or you come to dashboard login or history to click on it so that it can take you back to the URL. It will be as if you want to re-register, but we have what we want to do. Like I said, I will click on the dashboard so that I can go and log in. It's coming. Now we are there. This time around, you are not going to log in using login automatically, but rather we are going to use this one. We will use login manually. So watch. What do we do next? You paste the wallet address that you have copied, as you can see it. Then you click log in manually. Now the system is coming up. Wow, this is nice. Fantastic. Now this is my dashboard, and I am now on my dashboard. There are so many things that I will show you here. First, from menu. Here you can copy your referral link for the purpose of bringing downlines to your network so that you can grow. You can move from level 1 to level 2, because this is, you can see, this is my referral link. This is where you copy out your referral link. Once you copy it out, you start to promote it for others to join. You from home, it is that I am on level 1, and on this level 1 you can see active purchases. 4,637 applicants are already on level 1, and you can also see level 2. You can see 2,316 people. They are already on the network. Also, you have 564 people already on the network. Level 3, level 4, you already have 65 people, and level 5 you have 3 people almost cycling out, and they can always join automatically. So network is based matrix system from level 1 to 5. From level 1 to 2, you only need 2 referrals. From here to move to the next level, which is level 2, you only need 2 referrals. And from level 2 to level 3, you will need to refer to 2 people. The 2 people you refer will have to refer to 2 more. So you can see. And in level to 8 to 4, you need to refer your downline. You must have 8 people as your downline. While from level 4 to level 5, you have 16. You need 16 downlines. Then 5 to cycle out 32 downlines. It is very easy to achieve with operation. So presently on my own network, as clear here, I already registered 1 person, and that 1 person has given me a commission which is 50 TRS. So if I register another person, it's going to become 100, and I will move to level 2. So the network is very simple. Once you have mind and the will and passion, tell it, refer to yourself, you will grow. The system also can always place overflow on you. So if you join my network, because I always promote my link every week, you can be very lucky to get over from me. So I implore you to join S3 Mtron network. It is not a scam. It is not a Ponzi scheme. It is not hype. It is a legit system, a lifetime project. It uses cryptocurrency called Tron. Tron is presently number 11 coin market system exchange. You can check it there. So on this note, I've come to the end of this video guide. If you like this video, like it, share it, and tell people about it. You can use it for questions. You don't need my permission. Ensure that you grow and have good financial lifestyle to show forth for our struggles. Thank you. Visible Money wishes you well. Bye for now.